Hello and welcome to Nourish. I'm Carol Green. This show is about connecting you with food grown with integrity in your local environment and at the same time reconnecting people to each other over magnificent meals. I hope you join us on this amazing journey. Because it's a celebration of life, a celebration of beautiful food. Connecting, joining everyone. Look at this beautiful meal. The colors, the textures, the flavors, it's so vibrant and full of life. Food which is grown in your local community nourishes the body, reconnects the family. On this episode, we're going to talk all about salad. I'm here at Tiga Hill Farms where they grow the most beautiful microgreens and lettuces year-round. These will be harvested on Friday. Delicious. The cool thing about the peach stand is that they have a lot of ingredients that are very unique to the area and yummy. We've got so many ideas to do. So many recipes to get to. Let's take a look at the amazing grass-fed beef that I like to get here at the peach stand. Hey, Mr. Sal. This is my favorite butcher.
They use preservatives in their sausage. Also, the casing is plastic.
There's two different milk enzymes, A1 and A2 milk enzyme. And the A2 milk enzyme is much easier to digest. And there we have it. And that wasn't so scary, was it? I hope you've enjoyed this episode. See you next time.